Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the latest unboxing, very small one this time. This is from Abricado Knife, and as I say, it's not the biggest unboxing in the world, but it's an unboxing, so I thought I'd film it. Now, I've noticed with Abricado Knife, he stopped listing the larger bangers for some reason. So here's some the Tiger Jet Boom. Sorry, try and get them. These are little whistling rockets with a report. In other words, they bang. They're good fun. Should be 2 of those. Tiny little red sticks they have. Get a look at one of the pictures. I'll pull one out and show you in a minute. And there should be 2 boxes of U2. Wow, I've got a free lighter. Tiger U2 firecrackers, 50 in each box. Bag of sweets. Seems to always give you sweets, that guy. There we go. Okay. And another one. Now, why he hasn't got the larger firecrackers like Bison 1, Bison 2 and 3 anymore, I don't know. And the other thing I've noticed is that meal products, or produce as it's called, seem to be out of stock of theirs too. Fair play to him for throwing in the lighter. So there we go, I'll just pull one of these out for you and show you what they look like. Focuses. A picture of a witch on there. Very small fuses. These are rapid little rockets. They fly up really quickly, and quite a nice little bang from them for their size. As you can see, that's a lighter, so they're very small. They normally come with a little red tube, but it doesn't look like they've got one this time. But I don't usually bother with the tube anyway. I just stick them in the ground and lean them up against a post or something. But anyway, there you go, there's a little unboxing. But these are great little things, these are. I mean, you know, for their size, they really are good. So let's open them up and take a look. Good fun, these things. But like I say, why he's not got the larger ones, I really don't know. And the other website seems to be out of stock, so I'm sure. These have got some decent fuses this time. So there they are, they're clay plugged in one end, crimped at the other. There will be clay in there still though. About, I don't know, 3 centimetres long. Now, for their size, these are actually quite loud little firecrackers. So they're great fun, they're very cheap, and I highly recommend them, especially if you just want something to muck around with, or you know, if you're not into loud bangs, then these are ideal. But most people who like firecrackers like loud bangs, like myself. But there they are, nice decoration, good little buy. And if you want to see that again, I've got this on my channel already, but in case you needed to see it, you can get these, purchase them from this place. Thanks for watching this small unboxing, and I'll see you again soon. All the best, take care.